Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making a resin tray, so let's jump in and get started. Off camera, I took these beautiful sparkle diamonds from Laura's Art Corner and just poured them into this mold. This heart mold has kind of like a recessed area around the border of these hearts. So I just took those sparkle diamonds and sprinkled those right inside that little outline of the double heart. I did it off camera because I didn't want to bore you guys. Super easy to do. I just sprinkled them right in. And we're going to be pouring this one in 2 layers. I just went in with some clear resin and filled this mold up halfway. And now I'm going to drop down some resin foils. These are iridescent images printed on craft plastic. I'll link all the materials I'm using down below in the description box. I like to get these off Etsy. They come on a sheet the same size as like printer paper with a bunch of different images, and then you just cut around the image that you want to use and you're ready to cast them in your resin creations. I'm just going in with my gloved hand and pushing the foil down, making sure that it's completely submerged in that resin and there is no air bubbles trapped underneath the image. You can see I had a little air bubble on the side right here. I'm just going to keep pushing it down until all those air bubbles move out from under the image and off to the side, where I could just pop them with my gloved hand, or you could go in with your heat gun and pop them that way too. And I did mix up my resin off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin and you want to see how I mix my resin, I'll link one of my mixing tutorials down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out. In that video, I show you step by step how to mix your resin. So this is 24 hours later, the next day. I'm going in with some of my plum sparkle glitter. You can get this from my Etsy shop. I just mixed that in with some clear resin, filled up the mold the rest of the way. Super simple and easy to make this. This mold, I'll link it down below as well. It's a super cute little tray mold. I hit it with my heat gun to pop bubbles. I had a few surface bubbles pop up, and that was it. Let it cure overnight. This is the next day, getting ready to take it out of the mold. I was really excited to see how this turned out. The sparkle diamonds do not lose their sparkle when you cast them in resin like a rhinestone would. For example, like if you use rhinestones, they will lose their sparkle when you put them in resin, but these sparkle diamonds from Laura's Art Corner do not lose their sparkle at all. They're great to use in your resin creations. Give you a little bit more of a close-up here. So this you could use as a tray, just attach some clear rubber bumpers on the bottom. It would be good for like a little jewelry tray, a small tray for keys, trinkets, whatever you want to use. It would even be cute on a desk for office supplies, but I ended up turning this one into a sun catcher. Took my little drill, drilled some holes, attached my glass crystal beads, and here's how it turned out. And it throws a lot of really pretty rainbows in the sunshine too. I have a video showing how I turn my pieces into sun catchers. If you want to check that out, I'll link it down below as well. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Naptime Creations, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye guys.